Hey Glamours! So today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial of basically a film that I was watching yesterday. I was watching Burlesque. I love that film which Christina Agulira and Charleane and among other actors are in. And you know the dance where she is going, oh my good grief, I can't express. I love that. So I saw the photo and I was like, that looks pretty. And oh my good grief, I love her. That eye looks so much. As you can see, it's very like black winged out, but inside in the upper bit there is basically some silver. So I'm going to use the Jamie Genevieve black to create this look, and the silver I'm going to do. So I've got a bunch of silvers, but there's a silver which is basically the right silver I actually need. So that's from the Makeup by Jack. I have this silver in here by Sofx. Now it looks like a perfect silver as well. I don't have a silver in there. I don't know why I got it. I have a silver in here, but it's kind of, it's very dark silver. But then I have a silver that's there, but it doesn't look as what I want. So I'm going to be trying this silver from the Sofx and Makeup by Jack palette. I'm not going to apply a base because I know how this is going to F up if I apply a base. I'm just going to get my brushes. So I need something that I can wing out. So this brush is the Jack & Hill Morphe JH43. So what I'm going to do is bring you closer. So I'm just going to clean this brush just slowly, and then I'm going to get the black from the Vieve. And basically it's very winged out. It's very winged out and very fierce. So I'm going to get a bit of this black and do it lightly first of all. So I have already done my base and my cream bronzer because in this look she's very blushy. She's very blushy. So I'm just going to wing that out. Right, so, and then do this. So basically, because my crease is bit in, I'm going to have to make my own crease. So it looks really nice. I need the corner to be very like thin, if you know what I mean, and very thingy out. So I'm just going to get a lip brush and just very thin. It's like you're drawing on a wing. You're not, but it just feels like you're drawing on a wing. And I'm going to get my brush, just an eyeshadow brush, just to fill in the rest. So it does go from dark. You know, have to be that thing. I don't want any blenders at the minute because it is blended, but it's not as blended. Look. It's blended, but it's not as blended as it looks. Which is fine by me. I'm just doing what I'm doing. And it does go down underneath the eye, so you actually need to match it underneath the eye as well. Which we'll do. So it's very, very like, I like the look from it. I just think it's really nice. And the silver, I think it just goes on really well. So I'm going to stop around about halfway on my eye, because then the silver kind of takes over, but the darkness does come in here just a bit more. Just a bit more, like so. So as you can see, I'm building up the black. Just make sure it's all builded and we have the blackest black there. So I'm just going to wing mine very, very dramatic. Oh, can you see that? Now I'm going to do it, it's going to match it underneath as well. Because her underline is very kind of black. I'm just going to do it here as well. I love it. It's just so black that I love how this looks turning out. So now I need the silver to go onto my eye. So I feel like, I don't know how silver, it's very silver. I know that, but these silvers, they're actually the same. The silvers are actually the same, which is good. So I'm just going to use the Makeup by Jack silver just because I haven't used that palette in so long. I mean, I haven't used the Sofa collection in so long, but the silver from Jack, I feel like I'm going to use that one. So I'm going to get that silver and just go into it. This is probably where I do need a little bit of the base for it to stick down. So I'm going to use some glitter glue. I need some base to stick it down, because if I don't, it's just not going to be, it's not going to be as good, if you know what I mean. You need like to have base to stick down. I'm just going to grab a small little brush, clean up the excess. I'm just going to pop some glitter glue onto the actual eye. I'm going to put it over the cream as well, like the silver I did. I'm going to put it over it, so it just sticks to one place, if you know what I mean. It doesn't stick all the way. So I'm going to grab some more. If you want to do with the eye, you can. Grab some more, top of the excess, and then there we go, and then put it on. So I need to get this, well, I need to get my black again and just, you know, pop it like so it's blended. You don't want any of the black, the silver. Wow, the silver is coming through, man. It's coming through. Glitter glues saved my life. And I'm gonna make sure it's very high, so when I look out, you can see the actual, you can see it. I'm gonna get the black again. I'm just going to go around it and just bring it into the eye just about. So you got the greyness with the, oh, wow, I love this eye look. This eye look is so gorgeous, and this black is so black. That's what you need with this kind of look. You need to have a black, a very, very black. So we've got one eye. So this is the eye. This is all it is. It's just black and silver, and you wing it out. So I need to make sure I do the other eye the same. If they're not even to me, it doesn't matter to me. You can try and make it even. I suck at making things even. I just suck at it because sometimes I can't make things even. So what I'm going to do is just go in there and just bring it over again. Do the same to the other eye. And just create another crease for it, if you know what I mean. If you've got really headed eyes like me, you need to do the crease. Sit forward. You can see it's elongated. If I just left it in my crease, you wouldn't be able to see the elongated of the eye or the silver. You wouldn't be able to see that. But now that I've got my eyes open, you can actually see that, and that's because I've lifted my crease. I've put my crease into a different place. No, it's not my actual crease. I've just made it up, but it will work wonders. And you can see they're not as even as I'd want, but it's fine because we're getting there. We're getting there. We're getting there. It does take its time with this look, but you need to make sure that if you want to do this look as Christina Agulira's burlesque thing, you're going to have to be patient and take time. Got some fallout. Don't worry about it. Just get your brush and just, yeah, there is going to be fallout with this look. I'm getting there. It's a bit of a pickle. It really is, because I'm just like, ugh, bit of pickle. So I'm just going to do some glitter glue again. Need that on my eye because that's the way that the silver is going to stick with the Makeup by Jack one. Definitely going to tidy my stuff up, like literally tidy it up. So I'm going to take my silver again from the Makeup by Jack. I'll just use Soaphex because they're literally the same silver. And pop it on. Oh, wow. Can you see what I mean? It's a bit blended, but I'm going to blend it slowly with this brush here. So we've got the eyes down to a T. As you can see, we've got the eyes down to a T. We've even done the lower lash line. We've got the eyes down to a T. Right. Now, she's very blushy kind of on this. So you need a pink blush. Because I don't have very pinky blush, I'm going to use the one in the Victoria's palette. I'm going to use that pink blush up there, that pop of pink, you know, that pink blush. Because hers is very pinky. She's very pinky. I do have bronzer on already. Like, I did do cream bronzer. Because she's not really, she's kind of in this thing, she's not really bronzed. I will do a little bit just to make sure I am a little bit bronzy. Because I like to be a little bit. Just to make sure I am. Right. Just going to blend that out as well with a big brush. Now we're going to do blush. And this is the thing that's going to set the look off because she's got very blushy. So I'm just going to take a blend and snap and just tap it and just put it on. She has it from the uppers of the cheek, but she has it got back as well. So I'm just doing a little bit at a time because I know this is probably very pigmented. And she has got highlight on, which is incredible. As you can see, it's very pinky blush. Eyeshadow for blush. If you don't have any pink blush, use your eyeshadow. It just works the same. She has a highlighter, almost very highlighty. As you can see, I've got my blush on. Next is time for the highlight, and hers is very like ice white. Because I don't want the ice white because it won't suit me, I'm going to be taking this one. I'm just using the same one I normally use. She has a good highlighter on. And she has highlight on underneath her brows, which is my kind of gum. I feel like didn't pick up as well. I'm just going to do the tip of my nose because, come on, you need it. Time for the bright red lips, and then I do my lashes, and then I do the beauty mark that she's got on her face. She has a beauty mark on her face. It is in black. I'm a bit scared to do it. It does have a beauty mark. It's on the left side. Her beauty mark's on the left side. Oh, her beauty mark's on the left side, just around about here. Which is brilliant for me because I do have a beauty mark around about there. So I'm going to use a liquid eyeliner. If it's safer to use a black pencil, black powder, go for it. I'm just going to use, it's kind of around about, see, it's kind of around about, need that one really. So let's do this black. And it's not small, it's prominent. Whew. We have the black beauty mark, which is good. So she has a red lip, like a fiery red lip. Like, I love her red lip. It's just really nice and fiery, and I love that. So I'm going to use this liquid lipstick. I don't have a red lip. I'm going to basically line my lips with a nude. Oh, actually, I might use this colour. I'm going to line my lips with nude because I don't have the red, but I can just go with the nude. This will just give me an outline of my lips. So I'm going to use, oh, this is cherry red. Perfect red. Perfect red for this is a cherry red. Hers is a little bit more red. What I'm going to do is this. Take it off, and I'm going to use the Lime Crime Red. This is a velvet red. Like, it is a velvet red. Oh yeah. There are a lip liner to go around it, but I don't have red lip line. So now it's time for the eyes. So it doesn't look like she does wear falsies, right? I actually might go with some like this. So what I'm going to do is going to do my mascara and everything. So now mascara. My place is a mess. Like, it's just a mess. Like, I can't believe I've got my stuff in a mess. If you could see my table, it is a mess. So what I'm going to do is put my falsies on and then be back with the final look. Okay, I'm back, and now I'm going to do a eyeliner in the waterline because that's what she has. Because she doesn't have the thing, like, not there. Use a black eyeliner or whatever you want. So this is the final look of what Christina Agulira wore in the film Burlesque, and with the dance number Express. It's what is on Spotify, it's what I'm calling it. Oh my god, I love it. I love that I've recreated this look for you guys so you can see how it goes. Any black you need for the outer corner, and I just love this look so much. It's just so out there. It's very out there. I love that I did the blush with the eyeshadow. As you can see, it's very pinky blush. It's what she's wearing. She doesn't have much bronzer, but this is, and she does have highlighter, but she does have the beauty mark there on the left side of her face. I absolutely love it. It's just gorgeous. It's just something that I haven't done any like makeup inspired by people on TV or nothing like that. But this, I thought, I love it so much, so why not recreate the... I just saw the makeup that she was wearing in that scene, and I just thought it was just gorgeous. Her outfit is very, very good as well. But I just felt like I needed to do this makeup look because it's just gorgeous. It is stunning. I love it. If you're going to recreate this look, go for it. This makes my eyes as well because these are very winged out. I love how they look. very winged out. They make your eyes really like feminine and very winged out. But I love it. I love that I've redefined, I put my creases in a different place, because you can just see everything. If you do enjoy this kind of tutorial of me doing this burlesque one that Christine wore when she sang that song, oh my good grief. If you do like this video, please give a big thumbs up. If you want to recreate it and tag me on my social medias. I hope you enjoy this video. If you're subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!